The end of the age of stocks. Why it's time to invest in real estate. The stock market has been the primary way for investors to finance their enterprises and increase their wealth during the last few decades. But with the stock market reaching all-time highs and seemingly nowhere to go but up, is it time for investors to start looking at other investment forms? In this video, we'll look at real estate as an option for investors, discuss what makes it such a good investment choice, and outline some of the key reasons you should consider investing in this sector over stocks. After watching this video, you'll be able to make a more informed decision about whether or not real estate is right for you. Let's have the stocks versus real estate debate. There's a lot of debate surrounding whether or not stocks or real estate are the better investment options for the future. Some people believe that stocks are the best way to go because they offer the potential for growth and earnings. They also believe that stocks provide safety and stability in turbulent financial markets. Others feel that real estate is a better investment option because it protects against inflation and price fluctuations. Plus, real estate tends to be less volatile than stocks, making it a more stable, long-term investment. The truth likely lies somewhere in between these two extremes. However, whichever direction you choose, it's essential to do your research and make an informed decision. Let's discuss the pros and cons of investing in real estate. There are many pros to investing in real estate, including the following. 1. Real estate is a historically stable investment. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate has not experienced dramatic price fluctuations throughout recent history. Nationally average residential and commercial property prices have increased by only 2% per year since 1965. 2. Property values are often more consistent in real estate markets than other needs. It means that even if the stock market experiences a downturn, real estate investments will likely still be worth more than they were before the downturn. 3. Real estate is a relatively low-risk investment. Unlike stocks or bonds, there is generally little risk associated with owning real estate, unless you live in a high-risk area or buy an uncertain property type, example, an apartment building. Most home buyers can usually afford a 20% down payment on a median-priced home in the U.S., thanks to low interest rates and government-backed programs like homeowners insurance and property tax deductions. 4. Owning your own home provides significant financial benefits over time. According to the National Association of Realtors, the average homeowner saved $9,600 compared to the average renter, which increases for longer-term homeowners. In addition, owning your own home typically reduces your overall cost of living, since you don't have to pay rent or mortgage payments. 5. Real estate is a flexible investment. You can use it to generate income by renting out your property, or to invest in properties that you will appreciate by buying an investment property that you plan to live in or rent out. 6. Real estate is an integral part of many communities and economies. As such, it's often an excellent way to get exposure to specific markets or sectors of the economy. 7. There are various real estate investing strategies available to you. You can buy properties outright, directly from the owner, invest in property through trusts, corporations, or limited liability companies, LLCs, or participate in land development projects, all of which offer different degrees of risk and return potential. 8. If you need to liquidate your real estate holdings for any reason, example, you're moving away from the area or you want to sell quickly, selling real estate can be relatively straightforward. There are also a few potential disadvantages to investing in real estate. These include the following. 1. Real estate prices can fluctuate up and down over time, so you may not always earn a high return on your investment. 2. Finding qualified property buyers in certain areas or at specific price points can be challenging, leading to delays in completing transactions or higher costs associated with buying and selling real estate. 3. Like all investments, real estate carries a risk. If the market for your particular type of property falls, you could lose money on your investment. Why you should invest in real estate? The stock market has been on a roller coaster ride for the last few years, with some analysts predicting it could end in 2025. While there is no guarantee that this prediction will come true, it's essential to consider all of your options when it comes to investing. Real estate can be an excellent investment choice when a volatile stock market. Over the past several decades, real estate prices have consistently increased, even during market volatility. It means you can take advantage of rising prices without worrying about losing money if the stock market falls. Furthermore, real estate is a diversified asset class. While stocks are typically based on company performance, Real estate can be invested in many properties, including apartments, houses, commercial buildings, and land. This diversity helps protect your investment in case one type of property suffers from a downturn in the market. Finally, real estate is a long-term investment. Unlike stocks, which can be bought and sold frequently, real estate tends to hold its value over time. It means you can build wealth over time by buying and selling properties at reasonable prices and waiting for them to appreciate. Here are the 5 types of real estate to invest in. A new real estate investment paradigm is on the horizon, the end of the age of stocks. Today, we're seeing a shift in investor sentiment from stocks to real estate. There are 5 types of real estate to invest in during this time of transition. 1. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. These are publicly traded companies that own, manage, and lease commercial property. They offer stability and growth potential as well as diversification benefits. 2. Commercial properties. These are buildings used for commercial purposes such as offices, retail stores, and warehouses. Commercial properties offer stability and consistent income regardless of the market conditions. 3. Residential properties. These homes are used for residential purposes such as apartments, single-family homes, and condos. Residential properties offer growth potential and the opportunity for capital appreciation over time. 4. REO, real estate owned. This type of real estate is owned by banks or other financial institutions that have decided to sell it off instead of trying to make it work. These properties may be in bad condition or may have been damaged in some way, but they offer the opportunity for a quick and easy investment. 5. Pre-owned. This is a type of real estate owned by someone other than the owner who bought it brand new. This type of real estate has usually been used as a second home or a vacation property and offers the potential for capital appreciation over time. Each of these types of real estate has its unique benefits and advantages. It's essential to do your research before making any investment decisions. Now let's discuss the best time to invest in real estate. The stock market has been on a roller coaster ride for the past few years, with some horrifying moments. Many people are scared to invest in anything because of all the volatility, but real estate investment is a great way to ride out these fluctuations. A recent study found that the average return on real estate investments will be 6.1% over the next 5 years. That's much higher than stocks, 3.6%, bonds, 2.8%, or gold, 0.6%. Plus, there are other benefits to investing in real estate. You can diversify your portfolio, control your investment, and make money, even when the stock market is down. So if you're feeling scared about the stock market, invest in real estate instead. Conclusion. Are you feeling a little lost in the world of stocks and investments? It's understandable. Stocks have been on a fantastic run over the past few years. But is this really where you should be putting your money? Believe it or not, there are other options out there that could offer you more stability and growth in the long run. One option worth considering is real estate. In this video, I outlined why investing in real estate might make sense for you and discussed some of the best ways to do so. So if you're ready to take a step away from stock markets and into something more stable and enduring, consider at your own risk.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more knowledgeable content.